Hi, my name is Sai. Welcome to the Vivint Demo House. Today we're going to talk about the Vivint Smart Lock and what to do when you get a low battery notification. The Smart Lock is key in any home security setup and has many convenient features. One of my favorites is its ability to program up to 250 unique codes for friends and family members. Check out our video on adding Smart Lock users to learn how you can create unique codes. However, your Smart Lock won't work if the batteries are dead. So here's what to do. First, make sure you have 4 AA batteries. Next, from inside of your home, slide the battery cover up and off the lock. You may need to remove screws holding the cover in place with a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the battery pack, then take out and safely dispose of all the old batteries. Replace those with 4 new AA batteries. Be sure to insert the batteries into the battery pack the correct way. Slide the battery pack back into the lock, making sure the arrows are pointing toward the door. If needed, screw the battery cover back on with the Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, wait for the lock to stop beeping and press the lock button on the outside keypad. This should update the lock status on the hub and in the app, as well as clear the low battery notification. That's it! With these simple steps, you can replace the batteries on your smart lock and keep your smart home safe and secure. If you're still having issues, please check out support.vivint.com for more help. Also, if you have an older model of this device and you need help with your specific smart lock, please click the link in the description to get to our support page. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helped. Give this video a like and a comment. You can also subscribe so that you don't miss any helpful videos from us in the future. Bye for now.